Ever wish Photoshop could just look at your image and tell you exactly what to do to make it even better? Yes, it does. And honestly, it's kind of scary good. I am Farz from Farzzology, and today we're diving into one of the coolest upgrades in Photoshop Beta, reimagined action panel that gives you smart AI-powered edit suggestions based on your image. And yes, it might just change how you edit forever. Okay, first go to the window and then click on action. You will see a completely new action panel with the suggested edits based on your current image. And no, this is not just a random list. Photoshop actually analyzes your image and recommends edits that actually make sense. Here it suggested things like strongly boost the vibrance, then lighter sepia, mild pop, and also soft black and white. Just hover over one and you will get a live preview on your canvas just like this. And to apply the effect, just click on the action and boom, it's done. Here is the before and after. And if you don't like the first 5, don't worry, there is a refresh button just beside based on your image option. Let's try that. Okay, based on your image, and just you will find here the refresh button. So hit it and you will have a new list. You will have new 5 suggestions. Okay, let's look at this. Enhance contrast, apply old style look, and OMG pop art effect. It looks great, but I'm not going to apply the pop art effect right now. I want to apply this one. Look at this. It gives a little film vibe, so I'm going with this one. Done. Look at this. This was the before and this is after. Okay, now let's refresh it again. And now you have another new editing suggestions. Okay, and I want to apply the warming filter, just this one. So hit it and it's done. You can see the before and after. Now it looks really, it gives a really cinematic vibe. This was the before and this is after. You can see this was the before and this is after. And you can refresh up to 3 times. On the third click, Photoshop will reanalyze your image in its last stage and will give you another brand new suggestions. And below that, you will see Feature Essential. These are the go-to actions that work on pretty much any image. You can try this. Let's sharpen the image or boost vibrance. You can do that. You can apply that. Let's boost the vibrance a little and let's see the before and after. This is the before and this is after. That's pretty simple and easy. Okay, now if you want something more specific, just type into the search bar. Let's see, in this picture I want to create a glowing effect in the background, especially in this area. So let's type just glow and Photoshop will give you the suggestions like glowing highlights, strong glowing highlights. I want to use the strong glowing highlights here, but I want to apply this effect on the background, not on the subject. So come into the 3 dots and click here. You will see the free option, play action, apply on subject and apply on background. I want to apply the effects on the background, so just click on the apply on background and it's done. Okay, but this time you have to paint with the brush. So pick a brush and paint like this and see the magic. It's really great. You probably noticed that it says action name and brush. That's because it comes with a mask, and that is why you need to paint on the areas to bring out the effects. Okay, so here's the before and after. It looks really dreamy right now. So this new action panel is basically your editing assistant inside Photoshop. It saves time, gives you ideas, and lets beginners pull up pro style editing with just one click. Okay, maybe it won't give you flawless pro level result instantly, but definitely it will give you a strong starting point. That's what really matters. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comments, and especially don't forget to subscribe.